guys, today we're going to start a fire with a piece of bamboo. It's called the bamboo fireside. First of all, you want to take your knife with a 90-degree spine and you want to rub it down and get this tinder off of here. All these nice little shavings off our bamboo is what's going to catch our ember. Next, you want to baton this bamboo in half. Just like that. Now you got two pieces. On one piece, right here in the middle, you want to drill a hole with your knife. You want to drill that hole till the tip of your knife comes through, and you can see right through it. Next, where you drill your hole, you want to take your saw and you want to make a slit. Don't cut all the way through the bamboo. You just want to make a nice little groove right here over your hole. Now on your second piece of bamboo, one of these sides, you're going to trim down. Till it's about as thick as your knife blade. You want to trim this side down, just about like that. Now, we're ready to start our fire. Take your tinder that you scraped off the bamboo and place it over the hole. Hold it down with your thumbs. Take your groove you cut, stick it inside. Now this might slip back and forth, just put it back in place and keep on going. Find a good spot where it won't slide. Put your weight on it. And just start going back and forth. Once you start seeing burning, just keep going. You'll start smelling smoke, just keep going. Smoke coming off your ember. You see your smoke? Now take your other tinder bundle you got, put that in there, and give it some air. That's how you start a fire with bamboo. Alright guys, I hope you found this helpful. Like, follow, share. Leave a comment. I'll see you next time on Spear Outdoors.